Okay, good evening everyone. Today I'm making a lovely, I'm sure you can guess, maybe you can guess, a lovely veal marsala. I have my nice little veal leg cutlets right here. They're sliced very thin. And what I also have is some flour that I seasoned with salt and pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat these veal leg cutlets in the flour, and then I'm going to fry or saute them in this pan. And this pan has extra virgin olive oil, and I'm also going to add some butter. Hi everyone, it's Anna Maria Millet again from Anna Maria Millet YouTube channel. I really enjoy having this channel to share with you some of my favorite recipes. This is going to be a lovely veal marsala, as I said before. I've lightly coated the veal cutlets in this flour, salt and pepper mixture. I just lightly seasoned it with salt and pepper. I heated my butter and my oil in my pan. Now I'm gonna add these. They're pretty thin. I don't want to crowd the pan necessarily. You know, give them enough space to all kind of cook up together. You can see there's a nice sizzle. And these really just cook up a couple minutes on each side. And then I'm going to take them off and finish the rest of these. Now here I've added a little bit more butter. All my meat is cooked. And now I'm going to add my sliced mushrooms. I got these already sliced at the supermarket. Which makes it a lot easier. And these will cook up for a little while, at least 10 minutes. And they're going to get nice and soft. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay? So we have the meat. Nice and easy. We have our mushrooms. So as you can see, the mushrooms are cooking away. They're getting nice and soft. They've been cooking for about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. They'll cook a few more minutes. There's already a little sauce there. I'm going to see what I'll add next. Okay, so I raised the heat a little bit. And I also added a little salt and pepper to the mushrooms and to the chicken. And now I'm going to add my marsala. And this is now going to boil. And I'm going to add just a little bit of flour to thicken this up. You could also add a little cream or chicken stock, but I like plain sauce. So this is going to cook away the wine. I just use the regular Marsala wine from the supermarket, but you can also get a dry Marsala. I like my Marsala a little bit on the sweet side, and this one is just right. But you can pick out what you like best and choose that. See, it's bubbling up. So I'm going to let this reduce for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add just a little teaspoon of flour just to thicken the sauce, and they'll be ready to go. So as you can see, this has been cooking up for a few minutes. I'm just going to take a little teaspoon of flour. sauce. It's going to help thicken the sauce a bit without really easily. I don't want all the sauce to be reduced. I do want it a little bit thicker. And then let it cook for another minute or two until it gets the consistency that I want, and then I'll return the chicken to the pan. As you can see, this became a lot thicker now. I'm going to lower the heat. I'm just going to return the veal. I think I called it chicken a few minutes ago. It's definitely veal, but you can do the same recipe with chicken. I just like to put it back in the pan because it infuses the flavors of the sauce. Get all those really great flavors of the mushroom, salt, the pepper, the butter, the Marsala wine. You heat up the meat again a little bit, so if it's been cooling a bit. That's it. So let all those flavors kind of infuse a little bit onto the meat. And then you're ready to serve, and it's just gorgeous and delicious and tender and just wonderful. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. The more subscribers, I do a recipe a week. This week you might see a couple more recipes pop up. I have some ideas. So here's my veal marsala. You can also make this with chicken. And I might have a few more recipes coming up this week, so please subscribe. Enjoy!